so funny. Oh, hold on. Hello. Hey there, how are you? Uh-huh. Of course I'm in.
Yay!
Who is it?
Ken asked me on a date.
Really? Great news. A romantic dinner. Maybe he's going to propose.
I've always dreamed of this moment. I want to look my best. The makeup has to be amazing too, but look here. It's been a while since I went makeup shopping.
Yikes! Oh, this is a disaster, but don't worry, Barbie. I know the best makeup artist in the land.
Really? Do you have a friend like this? I won't do it alone. Who is it?
You know him? Wait a bit, he's coming. It's me, of course. But I'll need my assistant. Sue, I volunteered us for another great crafting adventure. Earth to Sue, this can't wait.
Sam, I was having a bath. What's going on?
Tonight is the night Barbie becomes the future Mrs. Ken. We can't waste time. She wants to look fabulous and I desperately need your help. Please.
Oh, we better get started then. First, we'll need makeup brushes.
That's a lot better than my idea. I was going to paint her. Now it sounds weird.
Oh, Sammy!
I'm thinking 2 steps ahead.
That's why we make a great team.
Don't worry, everything's gonna be fine. I'll go and check. Holy cannoli! Such a pretty splash of blue. It reminds me of the ocean.
You definitely have a way with words, Sam. Let's make the bristles for the brush.
See? I told you. Just chill and wait for the result. These look pretty good.
Thanks. Any ideas?
Yes, we need some foil. Where was it? Aha, gotcha.
But my hair!
Oops, sorry, dear. It's for a great purpose. Sue, you can have it. Careful. Oh! I'm okay. We can move on.
While Sam's resting, I'll get started on the next craft. It's a face cream to make Barbie look radiant.
What do you think the ring will be like?
You seem more excited about the proposal than Barbie, Sam. I never knew you liked weddings.
I'm a complicated ball of slime. I like Barbie, and who doesn't enjoy a good love story?
You're such a good friend, Sammy.
Shiver me cheddars, so cool. They look like real diamonds. Check this out! I found some more. Wow! I always wanted a new look. This one is perfect. What do you think?
I think you'll be the best-looking bridesman.
Okay, Barbie, it's makeover time soon. You're gonna be fabulous.
I am working on the concealer, and Sam's fully on Barbie's makeover. How's it going over there, Sam?
Wonderful, Sue. This face cream is amazing. I really like it. Look. I tried it too, and my skin ate it like a dessert.
Are you using it too? It's supposed to be for Barbie. Are you having a spa day over there? Such a classic Sam's move.
I need to try out the products, Sue. How else am I supposed to know if they work?
All right, good point. And our concealer is ready. Voila! Next, we'll need a little powder. It will have a mirror inside. Sammy, it's time to wash the face cream off. Hurry!
I guess you're right. I better wipe this off.
Just don't overdo it.
Oops, too late.
Oh, seems like it.
Whoa, I'm really shining.
Right you are. At least the cream really works.
What are you working on? Show me what you got.
It's a compact powder.
Amazing. Give me some. Achoo!
Oops, this wasn't planned.
Seems like I need those wipes again. Barbie, you're gonna look amazing, all thanks to me.
You're the greatest makeup artist, Sammy.
Thanks, dear. That's very flattering.
Ahem. I feel like a third wheel here.
I really love watching the process.
Then look, this is going to be for your blusher.
That's just what we need, Sue. Let's give those cheeks a little rouge. Check. Blusher. Check. What is missing? I guess it's something eye-related. Aha! Sue! We need to make an eyebrow pencil! Hey, what are you doing? Idling around, huh?
Drop it, please. Look, we can use these toothpicks to make makeup pencils.
Let's use this paint, Sue. Brown is perfect for Barbie's eyes.
You're right. Great idea, Sammy. It's such a pretty shade. Here they are.
Ah, this is better. Say goodbye to those ugly brows, Barbie. I am gonna draw you a trendy set.
Ugly? I'll show you what's ugly. Come here.
Okay, Slick Slime Sam's makeup team. We need to make Barbie's eyes pop. I mean, not literally pop, that would be weird. I hope you understand what I mean. They should look big and shiny. Let's get to work.
The eyeshadow palettes will help us on this mission.
I have something for you. It's a perfect shape and size.
Thanks! We'll use it as a lid.
Sammy, I want the best shades for my date makeup. Could you help?
Sure, you got it. Did we make it on time? Our mission is in danger. Sue, how is it going?
It's okay, Sammy. We finished it.
I'm the Da Vinci of the makeup world for real.
Ha ha ha, you're a humble ball of slime, Sam. I was thinking that Barbie will need mascara. Let's make it too.
It would be a shame to do all this work and not have long lashes. You look stunning, girl.
Oh, my feta, Sammy. I look like some clown.
Come on, you look fantastic. You're the prettiest clown then.
Maybe you better start again, Sammy.
Yeah, that was a practice attempt. I'll get it right this time. Look, Barbie, fetch.
Ooh, I look like before now. It's a relief.
This was the fastest makeup removal ever. Let's get back to mascara craft.
Sue, I really need that mascara to finish Barbie's makeup. Can you hurry, please?
It's ready, Sammy. Check out how cool it is. It looks just like a real one. I still have another tube from the mascara craft. We can use it to make lipstick.
Huh? What did you say? Speak up, huh? The hairdryer is on.
You know that's not switched on, right?
Oh, that's why Barbie's hair is still wet. Thanks, Sue. This shade of pink really complements Barbie's look.
All done.
We're on the finishing line.
There's just one more thing.
Sue, I think Ken will have a ring already.
No, it's gonna be a perfume bottle. A very beautiful one.
When you look good, you need to smell good. Let's make her smell like roses.
I'm sure Barbie is gonna love it.
Hurry up, out of here. Let's check all the products again. Yep, now she's ready. Good luck, Barbie. You look truly amazing. Ken will be mesmerized by your beauty.
Thank you all, and wish me luck.
Whew, it was intense, but we made it on time.
We did great. I wonder how it's going. I'm so nervous for her. I'm even more nervous than Barbie. Oh no. Huh? Hey, what was that?
It's a letter, Sam. And it is for us. Let's see what's inside.
What is it, Sue? Tell me.
Sam, it's an invite to Barbie and Ken's wedding. I know what I'm going to wear.
What am I gonna wear? I need to find an outfit. Friends, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.